So this is an example of how you would use all those different units with the formula for wave speed and disk speed time for electromagnetic radiation at National 5. So we've been asked for a broadband router frequency 2.4 gigahertz and a wavelength of 125 millimeters. Got to show that they're electromagnetic radiation by calculation. Well, the only way we're going to do that is by calculating the speed and checking that the speed is equal to 3 times 10 to the power 8. So let's get the shopping list down in terms of frequency is 2.4 gigahertz. So we're going to convert that to 2.4 times 10 to the power 9 hertz. As soon as you're writing something down which isn't in hertz, meters, or meters per second, get it changed. Lambda, the wavelength, is 125 millimeters. Now you can either just convert that in your head into 0.25 meters, or you could put it in your calculator as 1.25 times 10 to the minus 3 meters. It just depends on which way you prefer doing it yourself. And what we're trying to find out is the speed v. So you're going to use v equals f lambda. The f is 2.4 times 10 to the power 9, and lambda is 0.125. Now, putting that in your calculator, you're going to be needing to use the exponent key down at the bottom here. So we're going to put in 2.4 times 10 to the power and then 9. And I'm going to use 0.125 there. So that's what it's looking like on your calculator display. Press equals, and hey presto, we've got 300 million, which is the same as 3 times 10 to the power 8. You can actually use this eng key to put it into 300 times 10 to the power 6 if you want to, just to make it easier for you. So 3 times 10 to the power 8 meters per second, and therefore it is in the electromagnetic spectrum. So the second part, we're told that the time is 12 nanoseconds that it takes to go the distance. So that is going to be 12 times 10 to the power minus 9 seconds. The speed is still 3 times 10 to the power 8. We're trying to get the distance, because that's in meters per second. So we're going to use distance equals speed times time, 3 times 10 to the power 8, times 12 times 10 to the power minus 9. And again, seeing that on the calculator, display is 3 times 10 to the power 8 times 12 times 10 to the power. And because it's minus 9, we're going to use the change sign key here with 9 there. And so that's what it's looking like there. Press equals, and we've got a distance of 3.6 meters. That's your two answers.